Welcome to the Auto King Crown, your ultimate destination for everything on 2 and 4 wheels. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of naked sports bikes with the all-new Honda Hornet SP, a machine that blends aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and performance to deliver an unmatched riding experience. Let's break down what makes this beast a standout in the segment. Striking design and aggressive styling. The Honda Hornet SP grabs attention with its aggressive and muscular design. Sharp lines, a sculpted fuel tank, and bold graphics give it a street fighter personality that's hard to ignore. The bike features a premium LED headlamp with a sleek DRL setup, enhancing both aesthetics and visibility. At the rear, the LED taillight and sporty split seat design add to its dynamic stance. With an exclusive SP Edition paint scheme, stylish alloy wheels, and detailed bodywork, the Hornet SP stands out from the crowd. It's a bike designed for those who want to make a statement every time they hit the road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Honda Hornet SP lies a refined 184.4cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. This powerplant produces an impressive 17 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 16.1 Nm of torque at 6,000 RPM, delivering a perfect balance of power and efficiency. The engine is paired with a 5-speed gearbox, ensuring smooth gear transitions and responsive acceleration. Whether you're cruising through city traffic or pushing the limits on the highway, the Hornet SP promises an exhilarating ride. Plus, Honda's advanced PGM-5 programmed fuel injection system ensures precise fuel delivery for optimal performance and improved fuel efficiency. Advanced features and technology. Honda has packed the Hornet SP with modern features to elevate your riding experience. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time information, including speed, RPM, fuel level, gear position, and a clock. The bike also comes with dual-pedal disc brakes paired with single-channel ABS, offering superior stopping power and safety in all conditions. The USD upside-down front forks add to the premium feel while enhancing stability and handling. Additionally, the monoshock rear suspension ensures a comfortable ride, even on rough terrains. Riding comfort and ergonomics. Designed for both daily commutes and spirited weekend rides, the Hornet SP offers a rider-friendly posture. The slightly raised handlebars, coupled with a well-padded seat, provide a comfortable and upright riding position. The bike's lightweight frame and 140 mm ground clearance make it easy to maneuver through traffic while maintaining stability on open roads. Whether you're weaving through city streets or tackling twisty highways, the Hornet SP delivers confidence-inspiring handling. Price and final thoughts. The Honda Hornet SP is not just about style, it's a complete package for riders who want performance, technology, and comfort. With its aggressive looks, powerful engine, and advanced features, it's a compelling choice in the naked sports bike segment. Priced competitively, the Hornet SP offers excellent value for money. If you're in the market for a dynamic and reliable street fighter, the Honda Hornet SP deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for tuning into the Auto King Crown. Stay connected for more in-depth reviews and insights on the latest rides. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Honda Hornet SP, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Ride safe and stay unstoppable.